What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I will be slaying these knotless braids for this girl. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, girl. Alright, so I like to start out on blowed out hair. First you see me braid her hair maybe 3 times, and then you're going to start adding pieces as you go. If you go ahead and part the hair, and before your client gets there, section the hair off like on the table or around something, or get your little stand like I do. It'll help save a lot of time, because you have to pick up these pieces and keep going. And she wanted waist length that's like kind of like above your butt, but sometimes I kind of go below that line. So that's why I really didn't show me braiding it all the way down, because she has hers really long. Okay, so now I'm getting to the end, and I went ahead and put on my water, and I should be done in this video about now. This is how it came out. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you feel about these braids. They're very easy. You just have to keep practicing. So yeah, this is the final product. Don't forget to subscribe, girl, subscribe. Thanks. And also follow me on my social medias. I'm on Instagram. That's @braids_express.